In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on a Squarespace website in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're sprucing up your personal blog, managing your online portfolio, or keeping your business sites secure, changing your password regularly is a smart habit. Let's dive right into the process, making it as smooth and straightforward as possible. First things first, head over to the Squarespace site. You can do this by typing squarespace.com into your web browser's address bar, or simply searching for Squarespace on your favorite search engine. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. Give that a click to proceed. After clicking on login, you'll be greeted with several sign-in options. For many of us, continuing with Google is the most convenient method, especially if your Squarespace account is linked to your Google account. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This should take you to a page where you can select your Google account. Choose the account associated with your Squarespace site by simply clicking on it. Once you've clicked on your account, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of Squarespace, where you have access to all your websites. Here, click on the website for which you want to change the password. This will take you into the site's specific dashboard. Now look for a section or tab named Pages. This might take a few seconds of navigating through the dashboard, but you're looking for a section where you can manage different aspects of your site. Often there's a direct link to Pages on the dashboard or within a menu on the left side of your screen. If you're having trouble, keep an eye out for the graphical icons, as they can be quite helpful in guiding you. Upon finding and clicking on Pages, you'll be taken to an overview of your site's pages. Here's where the gears start to mesh. Look for a gear icon. It's a universal symbol for settings or options. Clicking on this gear icon will open a new menu or page where you have various settings at your disposal. Within these settings, you're going to look for a password option. It might be labelled simply as password, change password, or something along those lines. Once you find it, click on it to proceed to change your password. Now you're in the right place to secure your site with a new password. When choosing a new password, aim for something strong and unique. A mixture of letters, numbers, and special characters, along with a good length, makes for a solid password. Avoid using easily guessable information such as birthdays or common words. After you've entered your new password, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for a save button. It could be at the bottom or top of the page, depending on the layout. Give that a click, and your new password will be set. There you have it, the entire process of changing your Squarespace website password in detail. It's a good practice to change your password regularly to keep your site secure. Plus, it's such an easy process, there's no reason not to keep your site's security tight. Remember, if you have any questions or run into issues along the way, Squarespace's Help Center and customer service are fantastic resources. They're there to help you ensure your website is as secure and successful as possible. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has illuminated the path to changing your Squarespace site password effortlessly. Be sure to secure your site today and keep it as vibrant and safe as the content you create. Until next time, happy website managing.